Hey guys, what's up? So Steph and I are here for part 2 of our Tobago trip, and today we're going to the Milestone Experiences pop-up boutique hotel, which is actually a really interesting initiative going on here. They have it available until Easter 2023, where they've taken a 4-bedroom villa but made it into an experience in its own. So you can rent rooms or the entire villa, but it comes with additional experiences that you could pay for depending on what you want, such as floating breakfasts, massages, all kind of amazing things. So we're starting our journey today at Shorethings Cafe in Bacalet, which is very near to where the actual hotel is located. Having a delicious lunch there. We really love this place and we figured it's a good place to start our journey. At which point after that we'll go on check-in and show you everything that we do on our trip to this villa and boutique hotel. So come along with us. Steph, you excited?
I'm very excited.
Very excited, and we're ready for action. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go and check it out.
Desert running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies. How to measure.
So guys, we're here at Tobago Chocolate Delights. This is part of Shorethings Cafe, and we'd love to pass in here and get some authentic local chocolate here. Very good dark chocolate and all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna have our meal just now, but I would have been a bad person if I didn't let you know you could get your chocolate here when you're passing as well.
To make me drive around.
Hi guys, so we've just taken our seat here at Shorethings Cafe. They put us right next to a lovely bird feeder, all kind of birds. I'm sure you're hearing all the noise behind me there. And you can also hear the crashing and the waves, everything going on. It's really, really beautiful.
I love all the crashing and the waves. I love how like the whole ambience and everything is really pretty.
Please just go. Your soul is the ocean, and I can't touch the floor. So full of emotion.
Thank you very much for having us. The meal was absolutely delicious as always. Can you just tell us quick what days are you open so people know when to come?
Sure, we're open Tuesday to Fridays 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. We'd love to see you guys down here. We're open and ready to receive you for lunch through to tea, and on Saturdays breakfast through to lunch.
Amazing, thank you very much, and I'll put your Instagram and all your links in the video so people can find you.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your stay.
Same to you.
Bye.
Bye. Guys, so after that lovely meal we've just had there, thanks to Shorethings Cafe again, we're now at Villa
Frangipani,
where Stephanie says might be a flower. So yeah, we're gonna go in and take a look. So now this villa is actually being converted, as I said, into a boutique hotel, and they're pretty much done, but they're still going through one or two little renovations. So we are like the first kind of exclusive test subjects of this. So they're still going through a little repairs as we're here, but pretty much 90% of it is completed, and we're going to show you everything that we can. So
It's
Stephanie will be our guide.
beautiful so far.
Yes,
We
it's
love
very
it.
beautiful. Let me see the
Yeah, frangipane.
frangipane, the word I can't say.
Frangipane.
So that's the inside downstairs. We're going to head upstairs just now, but we're going to take a little walk in the garden where they have the pool and a lot of just beautiful flowers and stuff too. So really lush and nice. I'm going to follow Steph down now. So as you can see, the garden has a lot of beautiful flowers, a lot of sitting area. So when you come down here and it's blazing sunshine, you can take a nice cool off in the pool. The pool is also an area in the mornings for breakfast. They can organize the floating breakfast for you. You come and relax and you have a nice breakfast in the pool, chilling with either your significant other or even a group of friends, you know. So a lot of possibilities. It's quite a large property and a lot of sprawling area to lime as well. So really, really beautiful and really tidy and nicely set up. Can you tell me your name again?
My name is Hyacinth Stevenson and my business is Candy Care Spa Service.
Very nice. And you'll be taking care of my wife today?
I will.
I love
Fantastic.
your name. I'm sorry, I just have to untangle my
You're
necklace.
wasting more time, babe.
I know, I'm so sorry.
And my friend, what is your name? Because you'll be handling me, who's the real star of the show here, not Stephanie, my wife.
My name is Arlene and my business name is Arlene's Beauty Spa.
Beautiful. And you gonna hurt me today.
Yes, sure.
I like that. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Well guys, that brings our trip here to Milestone Experiences Pop-Up Boutique Hotel. It's been a very short stay admittedly because I only had a little time at the end of my Tobago trip and God knows it's been raining and raining. Kelly, who runs this business, which you can also follow on Instagram, I've left the link below. She made every effort she could to try and let us see the vision she's trying to create, and she's a really lovely, talented, artistic person with a really great eye for detail. So we didn't get to do many of the experiences. We got the massage, which was fantastic, and the actual villa that she's put together is really coming together nicely. And maybe in the future I'll come and get to really try out her experiences, the floating breakfasts, the floral bath and stuff. But if you guys like that kind of stuff, please check out her page, contact her and find out more information. I think she's trying to be different, and that's a really positive, good thing. And Stephanie,
It was good. It was a great experience. We really liked the massages. They did them like on the balcony overlooking the pool, so it really set the vibe. It was really nice. I wish we got to do more, but it was just time was limited.
Yeah.
But
So
we enjoyed what we got.
so it goes. And of course, on my last day in Tobago, it's the sunniest day with blue skies after about 5 days straight of monsoon weather. But guys, like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the little vlog. Plenty more villa reviews to come, plenty more everything Trinidad, nature, outdoors, waterfalls, beaches, you know, the usual stuff. Food, lots of food these days, you know, too much food perhaps. But yeah, like and subscribe. If you're interested in me reviewing a villa or anything like that, I have packages for these kind of things. Please feel free to email me. All the information is down below in the caption. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, thanks guys.
Have a fantastic week. Blessings.